Well, for millions of Indians, getting a US visa is like a dream. People spend years preparing. They study, they work hard, they wait very patiently. They follow every single rule, but sometimes a few individuals choose a completely different path. And when that happens, the consequences affect far more than just one person. Well, this particular week, 40-year-old Mitul Patel, he has pleaded guilty in the US federal court in Boston to conspiracy related to visa fraud. Well, according to the US Department of Justice, he was among several individuals accused of taking part in a shocking scheme involving staged armed robberies. Can you think how unbelievable that sounds? Investigators allege that fake robberies were very carefully planned inside convenience stores and restaurants. In the meantime, individuals they would pretend to be victims of violent crimes. Police would be called, reports would be filed, surveillance cameras would record the whole incident. But yes, according to prosecutors, the entire operation had one goal: to qualify for a U visa. Wait, let me explain. The U visa is meant to protect genuine victims of serious crimes who assist law enforcement during investigation. This was created to help the vulnerable people who suffered real physical or emotional harm. Officials allege that this humanitarian program it was deliberately misused here. Well, according to investigators, store owner, fake robbers, and fake victims allegedly worked together to stage these crimes. Money reportedly changed the hands. False police reports were created, and immigration benefits were allegedly the ultimate objective here. In the meantime, Mitul Patel, he has now pleaded guilty, while others accused individuals, they continue facing legal proceedings. Now, under the US law, everyone else remains presumed innocent until and unless they are proven guilty in the court. In the meantime, the story has generated widespread discussion inside the Indian community tonight. Because every time an immigration fraud makes headlines, honest immigrants become worried. They fear increased scrutiny, longer visa processing, more background check, and greater suspicion towards legitimate applicants. Millions of Indians, they build maybe successful lives in America through hard work, through honesty. Now, stories like these involve only a handful of individuals, but unfortunately, they often receive a lot of public attention. And yes, while one Indian is facing deportation after admitting guilt, another challenge is pushing thousands of Indians to rethink whether America is still the best destination for higher education or not. Because let's be honest, the number tells a very different story that is impossible to ignore. Well, for decades, studying in America, it was every Indian family's biggest dream. Today, that dream, it is beginning to change.